Okay, so basically, I've been searching YouTube, and I noticed that there were a lot of kitty videos, right? What's up with that? I mean, they have a lot of views, but out of what? Their pure cuteness? I don't know. I don't know. It's honestly contradictory. Anyhow, so basically, I don't know if you saw my intro video, but if you did, it's pretty embarrassing. I was pretty nervous then. I don't know if you could tell, but wearing a different shirt. Yeah, I take care of myself. Anyhow, yeah. If you did see it, thank you for watching, and if you didn't do anything, that's okay. I wasn't expecting a lot out of like someone's very first intro video, I guess. Should I have expected more? I'm not entirely too sure. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but the weather out now, like the weather outside, not outside my there, but outside in the world, it's just insane. Like tornadoes all across America, and then we had that hurricane and earthquakes and stuff. Like in Japan, I feel bad for them, but it was Japan. You can't expect them not to get attacked by the earth. And then there was Haiti and there was Katrina, but that happened a while back, so I guess you couldn't really count that. Anyhow, that was just crazy stuff, and the world's been doing that, and it's like, oh my god, we're gonna die one day, and it's troubling. I don't know what to do about it. Maybe if you have ideas on how to stop the world from dying, or killing us anyhow, leave that, I guess. Alright, well, this is my new viewer, and I am signing off. Bah.